How to create an account in Tandem app. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to create an account in Tandem app. So for that, just simply open your Chrome browser, and over here on the search bar just simply go ahead and search for Tandem APK download, and it will open up different website from where you can go ahead and download the application. So just simply click on the first link or the second link that you will see on the top, and from there just simply go ahead and click on free download. Now as you can see that the application has started downloading, and once the application has been downloaded, just simply click on it and click on install to install the app in the mobile device, and click on open. Now in order to create the account in the Tandem app, just simply click on create account from the home screen, and now you have the option. You can either go ahead and use your Google or your Facebook, WeChat, or YB2 in order to open your account. So I'm gonna click on Google and just select the account of your preference in order to create the account in the Tandem, and click on agree and share. Now you can see that the information has been auto-filled. Just simply enter your date of birth over here and click on OK and continue. Select your gender, continue. You can go ahead and upload your profile picture. Now it says let's go. Now it is asking you your native language, so you can select that. Click on continue. Which language do you speak? Click on continue again. So you have to fill in all these details one by one. Now you are on the home screen of your Tandem account. You can start with the 7 days free trial if you want to, or you can also start the monthly, or you can also start with the paid subscription of the app. So yeah, this is basically how simple it is to create an account in Tandem app. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.